Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Hope you are doing great. So welcome back to your online class. Now take out your English book 2, that is Oxford Progressive English. In today's class you will get to know about revision topic which you have done earlier. Firstly have a look unit 2, flying kites. Here you can see some text and grammar based exercises on page number exercise B on page number 13, which is circle the correct word. Hope you remember. And exercise B on page number 16 is about question answer the black kite. And the grammar exercise on page number 11 and 15, exercise C and B. Exercise C is write the noun, and exercise B, write the capital letters. Write the name begin with capital letters. Learn thoroughly all these exercises, that is important for your exam. Now turn on unit 6, days and months. This unit has one text based exercise C on page number 41 and grammar based exercise B on page number 37. Practice these question answer which is about mommy's diaries, and blanks. Make past tense by adding D or ED to this verb. As you can see, unit 10, flying. Topic is flying. Includes exercise C on page number 61. Text-based exercise. That is text-based exercise you have already done. Learn the question answer. What did Sana see on the road? She saw shops and stalls. Hope you remember and learn the question and memorize the answers. Now on page number 59, exercise C, page number 62, exercise A, and page number 63, exercise A. Different grammar based exercises which are singular plurals. Use time in blanks and punctuation. Learn and practice these carefully. Now unit 11, that is about chimpanzees. I hope you remember. Cover all the text based exercise. Exercise B on page number 66. This exercise about fact file of chimpanzees. Page number 69, question answer, and page number 71, exercise B. Page number 71, exercise B. There are some blanks. Read the unit and solve it completely. The sentences, learn it. Then on page number 70, exercise B is given, which is grammar based exercise. Try to do it yourself. For self practice you have already done previously. On page number 71, exercise A. Exercise A is given. Mark the apostrophe and put full stops. Have a look on unit 12, check-up time. The text-based exercise include exercise E on page number 72. Complete the blanks by given letters. And exercise G on page number 73, answer the question. Grammar based exercise include exercise C, D, page number 72. Practice these. And page number 73, exercise H. Now unit 14. Unit 14, jokes and riddles, and turn on page number 86. Here you can see different exercises are given. In exercise A, put the correct adjectives. In exercise B, you have to read the sentences and put less and full to complete it. Exercise C is about making with opposite adjectives, and exercise D, write A or N before each given nouns. Hope you remember articles A, N. That helps you solve this. Remember that N is used before words beginning with A, E, I, O, U. Now the last unit 15, workers and workplace, which you have recently learned, include only text-based exercise, that is exercise B on page number 90. Solve it by the right name of worker. Okay, that's all for today's class. Hope you remember. Hope you understand everything. You have already covered all the exercises in previous class. Keep practicing. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.